Your Nissan Maxima key fob's battery likely needs replacing if the remote isn't working reliably. Your Nissan Maxima key fob's battery likely needs replacing if the remote isn't working reliably. For 2007-2023 models, it's typically a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Gently pry open the key fob case. It's a snap-fit design, no screws involved. Be careful not to damage any rubber seals, especially on 2016-2023 models. Remove the old battery, noting the polarities. Install the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Snap the case back together. Ensure it's firmly closed. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the first thing you should do is double-check the battery polarity. An incorrectly installed battery is a common error. You may need to reprogram the key fob. Some models can be reprogrammed by cycling the ignition key multiple times. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact procedure. If that doesn't work, consider using a smartphone app paired with an OBD2 scanner for at-home reprogramming. This is a popular trend for self-sufficiency. As a last resort, visit a Nissan dealer for professional reprogramming, but this will incur a cost. Remember to handle batteries carefully to avoid short circuits. AAA and AC certified mechanics advise that incorrect handling can void warranties.